So this US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Wednesday, the 12th of September. Now let's just have a look at them prices, and we price me like we go. So previously we've had prices hold supporting around that 111. Now we did have rejections of that 200 period average before we see this sharp acceleration here to the upside, pullback, tested, went up for a true test of that 1160, had this consolidation around 1160, pullback, retested the 1160 from underneath, came within a pip or so of that 1160, and we do appear to be rejecting it at present. So if we do see this continued sell side momentum, looking to see how price react towards these 200 and 400 period average, but ultimately looking for a move back down towards this 111, this very next horizontal level of note from which we've found support on quite a few occasions. And if we are successful in breaking that 111 here to the downside, looking towards our key level of a 1073, successful break from which I don't anticipate us moving much beyond the 1073 here to the downside. But if that happened to be the case, the very next level of note here on the US dollar Japanese yen will be moved down towards that 1020 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. If, however, we do see a break back above and hold of that 1160, the very next level of note here to the upside is at 1215. And if we can successfully navigate the 1215, beyond that, we are looking for a possible move up towards that 1252 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. So we get the, hold on a second here. There we go. So here on the US dollar Japanese yen, we can see we've come down towards this 109.80, where we do have the 200 period moving average. Pretty sharp reaction here to the upside, brief pullback, held supporting around that 111, saw this acceleration through the 1160, weren't able to hold above 1160, pull back down towards that 1073, where we do have that confluence of the 400 period moving average, further highlighting the importance of that 1073. Had a retest of the 1160, rejected, trade through 1073 here to the downside, didn't quite get down towards that 1020, and again we roll back above the 1073 and at 111, and at present we are testing that 1160 from which we are rejecting again. So we'll see if we can break and hold that 1160, for after which we'll be testing this previous high here from August in around at 1215. And if we are successful from a daily chart perspective, we are looking for prices to potentially head up towards that 1304 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.